Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a special video how to install Jupyter Notebook on your Python. Actually we need Anaconda Jupyter Notebook or other tools to run the Jupyter Notebook. So in this video I am going to show you how to run Jupyter Notebook on your basic Python software or Python platform. So to run this Python Jupyter Notebook, you have to install the Jupyter Notebook using cmd command. To install this Jupyter Notebook, you have to firstly you have to install Python on your PC and then open Python folder from this shortcut icon on your desktop. Open Python folder and then go to script. Then on the location bar you have to run cmd. Okay, and then we have to install pip install Jupyter, then enter. Actually I have already installed this. After pressing enter on here, you will show this window and then it will install the program of Jupyter, and then you have to go to Python folder. This is Python folder and click on cmd. Open the cmd and write Jupyter Notebook. After running this command, you will directly go forward to this locations 8888 or this location, and this location is here. You can run any programs from your local host and others program by uploading here using Jupyter Notebook. Thank you everyone. If you like my video and others video in my channel, you can subscribe and press the bell icon for getting the new notifications, new video. Thank you.